I started out on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, which I then blew out in preparation for this style.
Now for the sake of the video, I already did the majority of my hair.
So I used the Pink Lemonade and Coconut Super Antioxidant and Texture Beautifier Mousse.
And it's the way to weightless curls and amazing volume, and as y'all will see, my curls were amazing. It gives you lightweight and anti-frizz roller sets. It renders beautiful texture while enhancing curls and is enhanced with antioxidants, just like the entire Pink Lemonade and Coconut collection. What I did is put on some of the mousse and then I twist my roots just to keep them from frizzing up, and I make sure I have a lot of mousse towards my ends so my ends stay nice and smooth and do not get frizzy. And then I roll it up on the perm rod. Now the main thing you need to do when doing perm rod sets is to make sure that you're rolling your hair tight, not loosely. You have to roll it very, very tight to make sure that you don't get any frizz and that your hair is nice and smooth. So I'm going to show you guys up close where I put on the mousse, raked it through my hair, brushed it through my hair, and then I twisted at my roots to keep my roots from getting frizzy, and then began wrapping it on the perm rod. And as you can see, I made sure my ends were very smooth before I continued to roll up, and then you clip it in place. And these are my results after I finished rolling. My hair isn't even dry, and look at that shine. Look at that shine. My hair is not even dried. So I sat under a hooded dryer for about 2 hours, 2.5 hours, I'd say. And these are my results. Now, I like to blow dry my hair before I do perm rods just because it allows my hair to get smoother. That's the best way for me. And it allows me to keep some of my length. And it doesn't make drying time last for days. Like, y'all, I was so scared to take them out because I usually have an issue with my hair not being completely dry, but this is exactly why I like doing my perm rods on dry hair, because the drying time is definitely cut in half. But look at those curls, y'all. Look at those curls. And my hair is still so shiny, and I didn't put anything on it other than the mousse. And look how shiny my hair is. My curls are everything. And then I'll go in and separate my curls, of course.
You can now find the entire Pink Lemonade and Coconut collection from The Main Choice at over 200 HEB stores.
Also check them out on Instagram at The Main Choice.